Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom labels within the Spendee budget tracking application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spendee application on your device and enter your passcode if you have set one, or log in using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the timeline menu. From here, in order to create a custom label, click on the More option at the bottom right corner. From here, click on Labels. And now you will see the plus icon at the bottom left corner. Go ahead and click on it. And now you can create your own custom label. Enter the name for the label that you wish to add, and then click on the Add button. This will now add your label right away. You can tap on this, and now this label will appear as an option whenever you add your transaction within your timeline. You can make any changes to the label if you wish in the future by going back into the labels menu. From here you can tap on it and then rename or delete it at any time that you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create your own custom labels within the Spendee budget tracking application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.